Hi everyone, welcome to our video.
Roulez là-bas, ça même ça, Alouane.
Today we're going to explore the wild south of Mauritius, visiting Port Naturel, Natural Rock Pool and Rochester Falls.
Même nous tous seuls, nous pas hésiter pour nous rouler, nous ces gars. Parce qu'il a donc qui nous senti vibration, nous les go. Qui tellement y a tel l'anniversaire, n'y a pas qui fait c'est maudit. Nous tous attendons quand ces gars-là, Willy pour raisonner. Combien tonton m'attend enfants avec toute la famille ensemble. Nous pour piquer ces gars parce qu'ils savent Willy nous folklore mauricien. La nous tiquer, piquer, rouler, ziguiler, cadencer.
Second stop, circa in the middle of nowhere, we found an old factory. We are entering. I don't know what's inside, so let's go and have a look.
On our way, we saw an abandoned factory or building, I must say. We were trying to find something around to know what this place is, but couldn't find anything, unfortunately. But it's certainly an old building where people were working before, because we saw a canteen on the other side, so we're thinking it might be it. So if you guys know anything of that place, why it's been destroyed like that, please let us know in the comment below. Okay, so guys, now we are at Port Naturel and I'm having a walk to go on the bridge. Where is it? Oh. What happened? No, there's people. I'm not sure.
So guys, this one we call it the natural bridge. It's like a bridge. So, alright, go.
This is the bridge?
Yep. Alright. There's a lot of firefighters just I don't know if something happened or they come here just to, I don't know, visit this as well, or they are here for training, I'm not sure, but yeah. Fire. It seems like they are here for training.
Hey, good. Siyaก่อน
Ano lu kan video dai?
Our second visit is Port Naturel, just 15 minutes away from the airport of Mauritius. You have to drive through bumpy roads and sugarcane fields to reach the place, but the journey is definitely worth it. If we translate Port Naturel, it's natural bridge in English, and it's exactly what the name says. It's a volcanic rock formation of about 2 meters. It looks like man-made bridge, but no, it's not. It's formed by the waves crashing against the rocks that once stood as a wall and hence created a bridge. The bridge is supported by hanging cliffs on the right and left and offers amazing ocean views. You can cross the bridge if you're brave enough and be splashed by drops of water with the incoming waves, but caution is advised, especially when the sea is extremely rough. The bridge makes about 2.5 meters width and 3 or 4 meters long. We definitely recommend a visit to Pont Naturel and see how nature can surprise you sometimes. After a nice visit to Pont Naturel, we're now at Gris Gris trying to find the way to the natural rock pool. It was a bit tricky, but we finally found it. There's a ladder to start with, then you have a rope to help yourself go down to the rocks. Make sure that the tide is low when doing that trip. From the ladder, it's about 10-minute walk to the natural rock pool. You can also see a lovely waterfall on the way. Just be careful where you put your feet, the rocks are very slippery. This rock pool is just amazing and very relaxing with the waves crashing at the back. On that day we saw some sea urchins in the pool, so yeah, we advise to wear water shoes to be on the safe side. Another thing is always watch out the tide because it can change so quickly and you'll definitely be stuck there. We're so glad we made it. That was a great experience to see the wild part of Mauritius.
Alright, so guys, we finally reached the rock pool after all this walk. We had a really nice swim in that rock pool and under the waterfall as well. now it's time again for us to take this path to go up where the car is parked. So we have to use this road. So let's go. I don't know if I will be able to film with the camera and hold up rope at the same time, but I'll try to. Right. Maurice, à toi là.
Our last visit of today is Rochester Falls, a very popular waterfall in the southern district of southern Mauritius. It's famous for its unique rectangular basalt rock formations that look like giant blocks, creating a dramatic backdrop for its 10-meter drop into clear pools perfect for swimming. A great spot for photos, picnics, and a refreshing dip. We should access it via sugarcane fields near Suyak, but should be cautious of muddy paths and avoid paying locals for photos of cliff jumpers. A good place to relax with picnic with coconut sellers nearby for refreshments. Lush greenery, rugged landscape, and the 10-meter waterfall make it picturesque, even featured in Bollywood films. Dry seasons are better as it gets muddy and slippery when wet. Locals may offer to guide or jump for money. Politely decline and go at your own pace. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our video, please put a thumb up to let us know we're doing well. You can also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow us on Facebook, MNY Adventures, for more photos. We're also on TikTok sharing our adventures. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Bye.